The DEWALT DW682K 6.5 amp classic biscuit joiner has long been a reference point in the category, and the Amazon product entry underscores why. The DW682K specification calls for a 6.5 amp motor capable of roughly 10,000 RPM blade speed, a retractable 45 degrees locating notch and depth select features, dual rack and pinion fence designed for precise adjustments, retractable blade guard, and quick depth adjustments for biscuits. On the listing, customers frequently emphasize DEWALT's build quality and the confident feel of the tool in use. Common praise mentions solid, durable construction, fast repeatable cut setup, and excellent straightness and control for fitted panel edges. Reviewers who use the DW682K for cabinetry and furniture work often highlight how the fence and angle indexing minimize the fiddly setup time that smaller or less refined tools can require. Some critical comments mention that, while great for a pro's bench, the DW682K is heavier and the corded design ties you to mains power, which is an expected trade-off for consistent power. Many buyers appreciate that replacement blades and consumables are widely available and that the aftermarket support is robust, meaning long service life if maintained. If you prioritize a proven nameplate, ergonomic fence control, and a tool that feels engineered to last under regular job site or shop conditions, the DW682K is frequently recommended. It's a solid mid to pro choice for cabinet makers, carpenters, and serious hobbyists. We share by links in description box.